And then I like to talk. I don't know if you notice if I like to talk. I like to talk really fast. I like to talk really, really fast. And I like to talk. I don't know if are you tired of hearing me? I don't even know if a minute has passed, but I'm going to go for another 10 seconds. And I, for some reason, want to do this with my hand. And I'm going to stand here and I like, look at this art picture over here. This is a beautiful art picture. Do you know who that is? That's Van Gogh. Okay. So the point of this is to have fun. Also, it's to let your brain free. You do not, the topic you start with, you don't have to stay on. Okay. So I want you to let your brain be free. Okay. And I don't want you to think. Sometimes when we think, it gets in the way of really understanding the bigger answers. Got it? Okay, so who's going to go first? I want you to, who's going to jump up first? Good, Audrey, go for it. Ready? Okay, what topic shall we give for Audrey? Let's give her something fun. Let's give her parrots. She's going to talk about parrots. Okay, you ready, Audrey? You ready in 3, 2, go.
Should I talk fast?
Yes. And nonstop. Go.
It's because they're blue and they're different colors. They're so pretty and they have long beaks. Their beaks are usually yellow and they're so pretty. I think,